That's your one, little birdie.
What do they do?
Look, leave it.
It's your little pet birdie.
Look.
Wow.
What do they do? Oh, sorry.
They talk to you. They're your pet birdies for Easter. They're speaking.
You turned it off, that's what.
Sit on.
Oh, what are you going to call it?
Well, obviously, Birdie. No. Aria, I'm sick of this. You're not going to get your eye.
Put it on there, Aria, and it will start walking. Should do. It's talking.
There's a lump on its head. Do you have to press it?
I don't know. Should we call yours Tweety?
Tweety! Because it's as fluffy as Tweety the bird
Yeah.
from Looney Tunes.
Oh, she's going to feed it. You're going to feed it some food. You're going to feed it some
That's
food.
nail polish apparently. She's putting it... Aria! She's putting it on my finger.
She's like, no, I'm gonna tend to my pet bird.
If you didn't see upstairs, she was actually painting the nails. My...
Look, I'm Birdie. I want to be your friend. I want to be your pet.
I will be your friend.
Oh, you got two pets now. What a big responsibility.
Yes, watch. Not just one of them. Did you put him upstairs?
No, I don't know where he's gone. Yeah, be careful, man. You'll kill him. I don't know where it is.
I tried to kill hers.
I don't know where it is.
Yes, I've got two of them. Look, I have two of them.
Two pets.
And this one walks. Obviously, you saw the video.
Oh, so Fluffy and Birdie.
Oh, wait. Aria. Could you on the table?
No, because it'll walk off, doll. This one actually walks. I'm not taking it off you, doll. It's talking, Aria. Ah, it's talking. Birdie. I'm going to feed the bird.
Pet, pet, pet.
Pet the birdie.
Oh, this is really cute. They look cute together.
They do, don't they? But you've got to take fantastic care. Don't shake it, Bin, of your pets.
Yes.
Show me the beak actually opening.
No. I think it only speaks once. Dad,
What?
Birdie wants to tell you something.
Aria, the birdie. I don't know if she's got it on or off. I don't know which one's on or off.
You can hear it going around, so it's on.
No, that's her one. Oh, got you.
Tweety, tweety, tweety.
Wait, you missed it. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.